So let's do this part with polar coordinates. So let's start with the line command. I will use the origin now because I don't have point with an entity. So I will use this virtual intersection here. And I will say first point being the 2, 0. And now start with the polar coordinates. So I do the at and 3 length, the sign for angle 0 degrees, and at again 3 angle 90 degrees. Now a 5, but starting always with the at 5 in length, angle 0, and I will continue at 3 in length, angle. Now to make a little different, instead of saying 90 because you know it, I will say minus 270. It's the same. Okay, just to change a little the conditions, to create a little more examples to help understanding the concept. So at again 5 angle and 180 at 3 length angle, so 90. Now this portion here at 3 angle minus 180, for example, or positive 180, doesn't matter. At again 1.5 angle minus 90, 1 at, and this is 2 angle and 180 positive, doesn't matter. And at once more, this is a 6 angle minus 90, and still one more at 2 angle 0 degrees, and again we are in the position that we can use close to finish the polygon.